Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So another setup today. I'm actually in Atlanta visiting my grandparents and I had a video to film, so this is where I'm at. For today's install, this is Wiggins HD Lace Loose Deep Wave Hair in 22 inches and 13 by 6. It's such a pretty texture. It's so light and airy. I'll show you guys how 22 inches looks on me, but it's still really thick. I believe it's 200 density, so that's why it's super thick. And I kind of went for a more subtle hairline, subtle baby hairs and natural hairline. And this is how it turned out. I really like it. I was gonna do a braid, but then I changed my mind halfway, so yeah, that's what you'll see in the video. And the hair so far feels really nice, soft. Wiggins always has great quality, so I wasn't expecting anything less. If you guys wanted more information on this wig, I will put all of the info in the description down below, and if you guys want to see how I did this install, keep on watching. Alright, so my bald cap is doing its best with what I got, but anyways, here's the wig. And here's the texture. It's definitely not tight. It's more loose than anything, if you guys can see the curl pattern. So it's really pretty and it feels super soft. Great. And the lace is very HD. I did bleach the knots already and I plucked just a little bit. Look at that. And here's the inside. It is a 13 by 6, but the sides are not that deep, so just beware of that. But now I'm just going to put some foundation on this and then we'll get to installing it. Okay, so I actually decided to not put any foundation on the lace just because it kind of gives it a better melt. So this will just be like a different technique. But I did pluck it pretty well, so this should be good to go. And now I'm just going to make the marks like normal and see where this will get glued down. And I can kind of see my tan line from my last install, so I'll just follow that. Alright, so now that I know where the glue is going to go, I'm going to clean up the area, like this little area, with some alcohol, and then use my Bolt Hold Active, my favorite glue, and I'll do about 3 layers, and then we'll go from there. Got the layers on and it's clearing up, so now I'm just gonna match up all the dots and I'm just gonna press really hard. And now I'm just gonna press everything in. Should have probably waited just a little bit, but it's okay. Right. And I really want to use the melting band they gave me. At this point I have like 20 melting bands. This is what it looks like. Cute. Pretty big, it's nice. Oh, this is thick, okay. Like, it's pretty strong. The last one I had from the doula was on the softer side, and I think I got it. Oh, it actually sticks really well. That's nice. Okay. Okay. Wow, that was pretty strong. Let me do that again. I'm gonna tie it just to be safe. Then I'm gonna let this dry for about 5 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, should be good now. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Now I'm gonna cut the lace. I think I'm gonna use an eyebrow razor this time. I got this little one right here. And I'm just gonna cut the lace. From over here, it's giving scalp. Can't lie. I have to re-glue that part. Looks like. Look at how melted. I think this kind of proves that with HD lace, you don't need foundation on the lace. You can always tint it after, but I definitely like the melt like this way better. I'm just cleaning up the edges, cleaning off all those marks we made. So good. Alright, I'm obsessed with the hairline. It is giving. So now I'm just gonna bring out the baby hairs. And I definitely want to go more natural, not too exaggerated like I normally do. So I'm going to start off with the sideburns. These I might exaggerate. I don't know. No, nothing too ridiculous. I just won't make them too long, but you'll see them. I'm just gonna stick with this for now. And then if I need more, I can always get more. I'm not gonna do any in the middle because I really do like how the hairline's looking. But on the side. Oh my goodness, why is this like this? Okay, let's make it. I'm not sure about the placement. I think it might be a little too far. I think this looks okay. And it looks good to me. And I don't need to pluck it really. I can pluck it after because it plucked pretty well. And not too long. But I'll make them medium for now and then go from there. And now using the Lotta Body mousse, I'm gonna lay these down. I know it kind of looks a little crazy, but trust me. I'm also putting the Wig Dealer melting spray right in the center. And then quickly wrapping it one last time. And this usually takes around 5 to like 7 minutes to dry. So once it's dry, then we'll fix the parting and everything else. All right, time to take it off. It feels like it's fully dry. Okay. See, I was worried that I overplucked, but I actually think it's perfect. Feels good. It's great. Now I'm just brushing them out. I do like fluffy edges. I might have to cut some of that down, but okay, for the most part, this is looking really, really good. Looking great. And now I'm just gonna cut whatever kind of long, but the edges are actually cut pretty perfect. Perfect. Now we can finally move on to the hair. I'm really sorry for the noise, you guys. I'm trying my best here. But I am already decided on what kind of hairstyle I'm doing. So I'm going to add a braid right in the front, one going to the side like this. First I'm going to separate what I'm going to braid. Braid will probably start right here. And since the tracks do start pretty close up, I just have to be wary of that. So the braid will be around here. I'm going to just section this off while I hot comb the rest back. And using just a wax stick, I'm going to put this back. And then I'm also going to hot comb the area that I'm braiding. Now I'm going to section this all off and I'm going to braid, and I'm just going to put some mousse and just do the braid. I hope this works just because there is the tracks right here, but it should be fine. And I'm just going to do a regular cornrow right here. It's kind of hard doing it sideways. Don't know about this. Okay. You know what, we're just gonna make everything go to the side. I think that part's kind of stopping me, so I'll figure that out another time, but let's just hot comb this into place. While I wait for the hot comb to warm up, I'm just gonna put some mousse on the hair, but this texture, it is giving. I love it. It's so soft, and it looks really nice, poofy. So cute. I think I'm just gonna wear it like this for a little bit, and then you guys can check my Instagram to see if I added a braid or two. For now, I just want to wear it out like this. Yes. So cute. And this is not that long, like how I normally, I've been getting like super long wigs, but I like this length and everything. And the baby hairs, everything's giving. It really is. And with the hot comb, there's still some mousse on here. Not too perfect, but a little perfect. Just like that. This is so cute. I love this. And I think that is pretty much it for this video. I love how this turned out. So easy, and the quality perfect, but Wiggins is always so good. And that is pretty much it. So just one more time, this is Wiggins HD Lace Loose Deep Wave hair, and 22 inches, and HD Lace, like I said, and 13x6. So it's pretty deep over here. I can feel it. Yeah, it goes like all the way up to here. That's awesome. So you can do a super deep part, and the texture, beautiful, really soft. And yeah, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.